TouchRetouch app, object eraser, and EA face edit. So you can tap get real skin, real smile, real you, our natural face retouch gently lifts your look without losing what makes it yours. Your pocket app for removing unwanted stuff from photos on the go gives your photos a clean look while saving your valuable time. Accident object, even though it may look tiny and harmless, can completely ruin the entire composition and make it worthless, but you can just remove it with help of this app. So here it is. So you can just use this app, enhance portraits. Yearly plan $20 per year, 3-day free trials, and $20 per year. So you can just do that. So there is one expert in here. So let's just check it out. So for example, when I just want to use this, I can remove objects. So there is erase AI. You can just remove. So if you want it, then you just use that. But here you can then just, for example, tap on this. But let's try if this is gonna work. This is a bit complicated examples. And then yeah, you can then just see it. All right, so this is, as you can see, this is not gonna work with some complicated examples, but you got the idea that you can just remove any object, like usually like some other people, for example, or like some, yeah, like unwanted people, or like some things in that area. So yeah, that's the idea. I don't know why it's so here's yeah, so that's the app. Retouch. So here is the app, and then you can just continue with you can do one export for free, and then you just have it in here. You see the version updates, redeem, there is offer code, there is promo code, and that's it. There is also beta testing. If you wanna, you can become a beta tester in a test flight. Maybe you'll get some additional features. So that's where you have it.